Hello, I'm Dr. Vanessa Fountain, Dean of Arts, Languages, and Communication here at Grossmont College. And I would like to tell you about our amazing Steinway D grand piano. Back in 1939, the Steinway Company in New York made two of these exceptional pianos, and they sat next to each other on the showroom floor. One piano was purchased by the White House, where it still resides today. The other piano graces the stage of our very own Performing and Visual Arts Center. So to give you a taste of how this amazing piano sounds, I've invited our Director of Piano Studies here at Grossmont, Melonie Grinnell.